Are we rolling this? We're making the Crane here today when we're unboxing my new copy of Dark Phoenix. It was originally just called Dark Phoenix. It's an excellent movie, but it was originally just called Dark Phoenix. But now on the covers say X-Men Dark Phoenix. But anyway, I'm gonna unbox this anyway. I really like this movie. I know not a lot of people did actually, but I liked it. I thought it was good. It's not the best X-Men movie ever, but it's pretty good. Anyway, here goes. It's got beautiful front cover art, I guess. A minute while I unboxed it. Gosh dang it, how do you do this? Alright, it's open. Well, I got the little thing open so now I can unwrap it. Shiny. And then I'll open this up. I know there's not a code in here, so yeah. There you go. Anyway, like, subscribe, comment, join the notification squad. I will return.